Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal SDK for iOS and Android payments step by step clearly. To install the PayPal SDK for iOS and Android payments, start by preparing your development environment. Ensure you have Xcode installed for iOS development. For Android, make sure you have Android Studio set up and ready. Next, visit the official PayPal developer website to access the SDK. Select the appropriate SDK for your platform, iOS or Android. For iOS, download the PayPal iOS SDK package. Unzip the downloaded package. Once unzipped, drag the PayPal SDK framework into your Xcode project. Navigate to the project settings in Xcode. Under the General tab, find the Frameworks, Libraries, and Embedded Contents section. Add the PayPal SDK framework here. Ensure to also add the necessary permissions in your info.plist file. Next, for Android, open your Android Studio project. In the project-level build.gradle file, add the PayPal repository. In the app-level build.gradle file, include the PayPal SDK dependency. Sync your project to download the SDK. Next, initialize the PayPal SDK in the application class or main activity. Use your client ID to set up the SDK configuration. For iOS, initialize the SDK in your app delegate class. Ensure you import the PayPal SDK header files where needed. Now, set up your UI for payment processing. Implement the payment functionality in your view controller or activity. Test the integration by running your application in the simulator or on a physical device. Ensure you log any errors and troubleshoot as necessary. Finally, review the PayPal developer documentation for any additional setup or best practices. Your PayPal SDK for iOS and Android should now be successfully installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.